take a look at this, $2 every 60 seconds directly to my PayPal account. It's all absolutely free and it works all over the world. So like this video, and let's start with step number 1, which is to come over to YouTube. But don't worry, you will not be filming the videos, you will not be posting video on YouTube, and you don't need a channel for this. All you have to do is search for different make money online channels. Just like my channel, Cash Pro. You can go with Incognito Money, Finance Girl, How to Make Money Online, Dave Nick, or any other channels available. And you can use my channel if you want to. I am giving all the rights to use my channel for this make money online strategy. You can also use multiple channel at a time for this. So open up different make money online channels, just like you see on the screen right now, and then leave them open just like this. Next, go over to facebook.com and create a brand new account for this method. Even if you have a Facebook account already, I would suggest you to create a brand new account. So once you create your account, the second step is to go over to Sniply.io. Sniply is a tool that allows you to add your own call to action button to almost any website or article out there, and I will show you exactly how we will be using this free tool to earn sometimes even over $2 per 60 seconds. Now all you have to do is come over to Sniply.io and register yourself on Sniply by clicking on sign in button on top right corner. That's going to take you over to this page. Here you have to fill in some simple information and you will be able to register on this website. Once you log into your Sniply account, it will show you a tutorial video about how to use it. You can watch it if you want, otherwise you can close this from here. Then they will show you the main features of this website which you can use, but for now just click on this button and this will be your dashboard of Sniply account. Now step number 3 is to go back to YouTube and open up that channel in Make Money Online niche. In this case I am going to use my channel. Go to their videos section and you have all these video teaching people how to make money online. Now all you need to do is grab some videos that has free in the title, which means no investment needed in order for that strategy to work. For example, I will be using this one, copy and paste to earn 12,000 per week for free. So all I need to do is right click on the actual video and select copy link address of that video. You want to go back to Sniply tool and you want to enter your URL right here. So paste that Make Money Online video URL in this box and click on create snip, and that's how it's going to look like. So we are adding call to action to that specific video. We will select new call to action from there. Here you can choose your existing profile brand. Then I will select button to show as my call to action. Now here you have to enter your message. You can see here is the message and here is our call to action button. Now I want you to leave this just like that. And step number 4 is to come over to AFPlus.com. AFPlus is a CPA offers network where you can find thousands of different CPA offers that are mostly worldwide available. United States, Canada, Philippines, India, Pakistan. These offers are available all over the world. And if you don't know already, CPA stands for cost per action, which means you can come over to here. You can grab different CPA links, different referral links for all of these different offers. And in most of the cases, people need to become qualified leads just by entering their email address, maybe even their name. And you can get paid all of these different rates just for them filling in that simple information. In most of the cases, they don't have to buy anything. They don't need to spend their money and you're still gonna get paid just for them becoming qualified leads. And for this method, you want to come to the top of AFPlus.com and you want to search for surveys. So we are focusing on survey offers. And as you can see here, just for making someone sign up to these different survey websites, we can get paid anywhere from $1, $2, $3, and we can get paid even $6 per sign up through our affiliate link. So for example, we're gonna open up many different offers of $2, $1, and many other offers right here, which you can see on the screen right now. As you can see, people need to come over to here, and all they need to do is register using their basic information about themselves. They need just sign up to this website by entering some simple information like their name, email address, maybe their street address, etc. And when they sign up for free, we are gonna get paid $2 just for them signing up to this free website, where they can actually start making money by completing different surveys. So that's the easiest and simple way to make money online, because it's a lot easier to make someone sign up to the website where they don't have to pay anything, but they have the chance to make money. All you need to do is select some offers like this one right here, which will pay you $2 per sign up. Join the network of that offer by clicking on this join network button. That's gonna take you to this page where you can register with this network and you can grab your affiliate link for that offer. And depending on your network, you can withdraw your money either directly to your PayPal account or to some other payment options available on that network. Now, once you grab your affiliate link from this network for that offer, let's say this is my affiliate link. I will copy my affiliate link. Step number 5 is to go back to Sniply tool. You will enter your message right here. You want to say something like, make free money with this website. Of course, you can add some other nice call to action if you want to. And I am including this free because this grabs people's attention. Then you can change this button text to sign up here, learn more, or something like that. And then most important thing is you have to change this with your affiliate link. So just select it, delete this, and paste your affiliate link in this box so that whenever they click on this link, they will be redirected to this page where they can sign up for free, and you will get paid $2 for them signing up on that website. Now, just click on continue button at the bottom. Next, you can customize the button if you want to. After that, just click finish CTA, that is call to action, and let it just load. We now have our Sniply. Let me show you how that looks like. You just copy your Sniply link from here and paste it in new tab here. That's gonna show me how that actually looks like. So, here the video, copy and paste to earn 12,000 per week for free. And when someone starts watching this video, they will be able to see your call to action button down below. Make free money with this website. And when they click on this button, they will be redirected to some page that will look something like this, where they can sign up for absolutely free and they can start start making money by completing those surveys. So, you help them earning money with this website, and you're getting paid $2 as well for them signing up. Now the last step is just to start driving traffic to your Sniply URL and enjoy profits. So, grab your Sniply URL by clicking on copy button right here. And step number 6. Now you want to go back to your brand new Facebook account that we created in the starting of this video. And once you come over to here, you want to search for different make money online groups, different work from home groups, and other groups related to that. You want to select the groups from here. And you have all these thousands of different groups with hundreds of thousands of members that are interested into making money online. So, all you want to do is open up different groups in new tabs. For instance, you can open up this group, open up this Facebook group, and you can also open up this group right here. So, this group has thousands of members in this one group only that are interested in making money online. And you have thousands and thousands of groups, and this has massive potential to make you a lot of money. So, all you want to do is to create a post saying something like, if you want to earn 12,000 per week for completely free, just type in info below this post, and I will send you a step-by-step video for free. When people see that, they will actually start engaging with your post. You are doing this because you want to boost your post to the top, because if your post is not getting any engagement, you will quickly get buried by all different members who are constantly posting something in these groups. So, when people will start engaging with your post will start showing at the top of this group, and all these members will be able to see your post, and they will type info in your post comments. Then, you can share your Sniply link with them. You can tell them, you can watch the video right here. When they will click on your Sniply link, they will send to this video, where they will be able to see your call to action that says, make free money with this website. They click on it, they sign up, and boom, you make $2. This method has a massive potential because you can use all these different Facebook groups for this, and you can use all these different channel and their different videos for this method. That's it for today. And if you want to make more money, then click on the video showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.